Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we help you unlock your financial potential. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful ways to secure your family's future: building generational wealth. It's not just about accumulating wealth for today. It's about laying a foundation for your children, grandchildren, and future generations. Let's get into the top 3 ways you can start building generational wealth right now. Number 1. Investing in real estate. Real estate has always been one of the most reliable ways to build wealth, and it's a key component in building generational wealth. Why real estate? Well, property appreciates over time. While stocks can be volatile, real estate tends to rise in value. The key is getting in early, holding on for the long term, and understanding the market. How to get started? Start by saving for a down payment on your first property. This could be a single-family home or a multi-family property. As a homeowner or investor, you have the opportunity to earn both through property appreciation and rental income. Over time, this can translate to a significant asset base for future generations. Pro tip: consider the concept of leverage. By using a mortgage, you can control a high-value asset while putting down a small portion of the total price. With time, this asset can appreciate significantly, building wealth for your heirs. Number 2. Investing in the stock market. Next up, we have the stock market. It might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's one of the best ways to create lasting wealth over time. The stock market offers the potential for massive returns, especially with long-term investments. If you're thinking about building wealth for future generations, consider focusing on index funds or a diversified portfolio of stocks. These investments grow over time, and with compound interest, you'll see your wealth multiply. How to get started? Begin by researching low-cost index funds like the S&P 500. These funds track the performance of the top 500 companies in the US, and historically, they've provided an average return of around 7 and 10% per year. Invest consistently, and let the compound interest work for you. Pro tip: take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks or IRAs. These accounts grow tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on the gains until retirement, allowing your investments to grow even faster. Number 3. Building a business or side hustle. Now, let's talk about creating a business or side hustle. Starting your own business or having a successful side hustle can generate income that can be reinvested to build wealth. And the best part? This wealth can be passed down to your children, giving them a head start in life. Owning a business also allows you to control your financial destiny. Whether it's starting a small online business, a service-based company, or even a scalable tech business, the options are endless. How to get started? The first step is identifying your passion or expertise. What do you enjoy doing? What are you good at? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Start with something you know and can scale. Once you have your business idea, focus on building it sustainably by reinvesting profits back into the business for growth. Pro tip: look into creating multiple income streams. Your business could have different revenue sources, such as product sales, subscription models, or even affiliate marketing. The more streams you have, the more stable your business will be. In closing, we think the best 3 ways to build generational wealth are investing in real estate, the stock market, and building a business. These strategies aren't just for the wealthy. They're available to anyone who's committed to long-term growth. If you want to leave a lasting legacy, these steps can help you pave the way. Get started today, and remember, it's all about making smart decisions now that will pay off for generations to come. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. See you next time.